Hi, I'm ClusterDuck, not an AI. And welcome back, for some more bad drivers of Reddit. Today we have a kamikaze bird, cars sent flying in the air and people who must have had a horseshoe up their backside to make it out of it safe. Now for what y'all been waiting for.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
And then for sure, if you have a septic tank, this is whenever I've gotten messages from people regarding like having lost their camp, I'm like, where's
into it, and then he got tires, so a little bit more, and so I'm trying to think, that'd be $3,200, so that was $6,000. You're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot. Shit. No. I got all of that on my dash cam. I fucking, you knew I knew that was happening, right? Yeah. Oh shit!
Where are you? I recommend Dr. Scholl's custom fit orthotic inserts. They're customized for your feet, so you get a unique solution your feet really need.
Shit!
Well y'all, I hope you enjoyed these clips from Reddit. Like and subscribe to see more dashcam clips, and maybe some gameplay, who knows. See you next time, and remember, don't be the next idiot in one of my videos.